Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix transaction under review for 48 plus hours in Uphold Wallet. So I'll start with the first step, which is to find the stuck transaction. So open the Uphold app, tap on activity, and locate the transaction showing the orange under review badge with a 48 plus hours timestamp. So screenshot the transaction and note the exact time it was submitted, and support agents need to escalate this one. So next step is copy the reference ID. So tap the transaction to open details, then copy the reference ID. It starts with the UPH and click the reason field for any action Uphold needs from you. Next is complete any pending verification. So go to settings, tap on identity verification, and finish any missing steps. So the ID upload, a selfie, or proof of address. So approval typically processed within 2 to 4 hours. So use a well-lit, glare-free photo of your ID. Since blurry upload, restart the entire 48-hour review window. Next step is contact support with the reference ID. So tap on the question icon. So tap the question mark icon, start a live chat, paste the reference ID, and ask them to escalate the transaction to the compliance team for manual review. So ask specifically for compliance escalation. General support can't release funds, only the compliance team can. Lastly is confirm the transaction completes. So after escalation, the status changes to completed with the green check mark within 12 to 24 hours. So verify the balance update in your wallet. So if it's still stuck after 72 hours post escalation, file a complaint with the FinSense SAR portal, since Uphold prioritizes those cases within hours. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!